Hi, this is Tommy from Systems for Dentists, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to create and apply document templates. In SFD you can create templates that can be used on a number of letters and emails. This can be useful, for example, if you have standard headers and footers that would apply to all documents that you generate. Also, if you needed to change these templates, you can update them in one place rather than have to update all documents that use them. To show how this works, I first need to access documents via the SFD icon at the top left of the screen and Setup, then select Documents. By default, a new document is created. I'll use this to create my template. I first need to save it. I'll click the Save button at the top of the screen. I need to choose Template from Type and then enter a name for the template. I'll name this Document Template. I'll use the Insert Picture button to insert an image. I'll resize the image and reposition it in the header area. You could obviously add more to the template, such as the practice address, phone number and footers. Next, I need to insert a template merge field. This will indicate where in the template the document text will appear. I'll click into the document, then select the merge button and choose Template from Miscellaneous. I'll save the template and close it. Next, to apply the template, I'll open the document that I want to use it on. I'll select the general letter. From the Page section of the toolbar at the top of the screen, this button here will allow you to choose a template for this letter. I can click to use a template, then choose the template I would like to use. You get a preview of the template on the right. I'll click OK to select my new template. Finally, I'll save the document. To demonstrate how the template works, I'll first open a patient. I'll go to Letters, click New and choose the general letter that used the template that I set up. You'll see that this opens the letter within the template. This template could then be linked to other letters and documents that require it. If you amend the template, then these changes will be applied to all documents that use it. Thanks for watching this video. Please see our website and our YouTube channel for additional support guides and more videos. Alternatively, if you require further help, please call our support number.